Davao Doctors Hospital Brokenshire Hospital and San Pedro Hospital, which further strengthened the competency of the students' clinical training.
Here in DMSF, we just don't rotate in our DMSF hospital. They also take us to SPMC, San Pedro, Brokenshire. So all in all, we get a lot of experience. We get to observe and learn more, especially in the government hospital.
It's the best place to rise as a doctor.
It was the compassion for all those who needed medical attention that led the founders of the Davao Medical School Foundation Incorporated to bring about the first medical school in Mindanao. In the year 1970, the doctor population ratio was 1:5,194. This meant that around 13,101 physicians needed to cater to 36 million inhabitants of the country, thus clearly emphasizing the lack of physicians, especially in Mindanao. God further blessed the advocacy towards service of DMSF by providing it with a 100-bed capacity hospital and opening its College of Nursing in 2003. The existence of the hospital has been allowing DMSF students to better practice and hone their skills. It has ensured that the clinical training component of the students are monitored, met, and taken care of. From the 2 batches of Indian students, the school has produced competent 120 Indian doctors. The Philippines has proven to be a great training ground for Indian medical students because it not only has the same climate as India but shares the same disease patterns as India. As proof, the national passing rate for Indians who study in medical schools abroad are around 9%. Those who study in DMSF, however, produced an outstanding 80 to 90% passing rate. Furthermore, graduates of DMSF have time and again topped the Indian National Medical Board exam. A student from the first batch who studied in DMSF was top 1 in the board exam. And also, from the second batch of students, board passers were able to make it to the top 10 respectively.